How to split screen Fortnite on PS4. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable split screen mode in Fortnite on PlayStation 4. So follow the steps carefully. In order to activate the split screen mode, first enter the lobby without paying for the match. Connect a second controller to your PlayStation 4 either wired or wirelessly. Once linked, a prompt will ask you to assign a user to a second controller. Both players need assigned users. The second player can join the lobby by holding down the triangle button. Choose your game mode like Duo, and when ready, press the triangle button on both controllers to start the match in the split screen. Ensure that the correct controller assignment and both players press the triangle button before starting the match to enjoy the split screen play on any map or mode. Make sure that both players are in the lobby before going for the match. I hope this guide helps you to set up split screen mode in the Fortnite on the PlayStation 4. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If you found this video useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy gaming.